Hello guys, review Realme 13 Plus. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Good complementation, okay. And now talk about device. We have triple camera on the back side, on this side without controls, on this side power button and volume buttons, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, speaker and slot for SIM cards. Okay. Open settings. One UI 5.0. Dimensity 7300 energy, 6.7 inch display, Android 14. Open Geekbench 6. Single core score, multi-core score. Look into the benchmark results. Okay. We have CPU GPU Mali G615. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.